I needed to mention a few other websites that include tools that I've used in developing and deploying this Strapi implementation and the Chartbrew plugin. Two of the main tools, of course, are the NPM package manager, and their website is npmjs.com. Also, here is the Yarn package manager. I typically use that more than I do the NPM package manager. It has some of its own benefits. You can read about them here in the web browser if you go to their website. Also, a lot of these tools and open source software are dependent upon the Node.js, and you can go to their website, nodejs.org, and of course install either the LTS version or the current version. On my system that we're looking at, I had installed the LTS version at the time of making this video. Also, there's the Chartbrew Strapi plugin page, which you can see up here in the address bar, market.strapi.io/plugins, and then the Chartbrew plugin Strapi. It has its own web page, which you can read about more information about the Chartbrew plugin and what it can do. As I showed a little earlier, I do have it up and running in a Windows 10 development environment, and we'll be going through some of these steps and showing you how to get it up and running. And another option here is to install different versions of the Node.js. So here on the right is a version 14. Let's say you needed to install that version for supporting a particular application that you needed to work on. So here on the left side, I have a command prompt open, and I've run a couple commands such as WinVersion to show the version of Windows that I'm using. I'll go ahead and run that again. So here you can see I'm running Windows 10 21H2, and you can see the build number, and it's Windows 10 Pro. And then I've run the NVM list command, which shows I currently only have this one version of Node installed. But I'm going to go ahead and install another version of Node here and show you how we do that, which is NVM install, and then we'll put 14.20.0. So here you can see it says that it's downloading Node.js version 14.20.0. Says it's completed. Then it installs some other supporting software that it needs to. So we'll go ahead and let that finish. And then we'll rerun the NVM list command again so that you can see that we do in fact have multiple versions installed. So here you can see it tells us the installation is complete. And if you want to use it, type nvm use 14.20.0. So that would be like nvm use 14.20.0. I'm not going to do it at this point, but that's how you would use a different version of Node. And then when you need to install other tools into this new environment, you would, install them like you normally would, such as using the npm or the Yarn package manager. You would have to install those first. So now if we do nvm list, we'll see that it produces two versions that I have installed in this machine. 16.16.0, that's the version I'm currently using, and it's the 64-bit executable, or 14.20.0.
If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.